Hello everybody, welcome back to Feral Art. This episode sounds so mysterious, doesn't it? This episode is brought to you by a challenge from Kathleen of Cause Creations Art. She is, as we all know, the swiping queen, and I had mentioned in some video just a little bit ago, maybe a week or so ago, that I had some of the colors that someone had who was swiping. It may have been Britta Clayton, I think maybe it was, and that I had not used them. And thus came down the storm of, you are a bad girl, Feral Art. Get your butt in your studio and make beautiful things with these colors. And meanwhile, I was like, sorry? Okay. I'll get right on that. And then, I had to do some handling and shipping and things, and therefore, it has been a hot minute since I said, hey, yeah, okay, I'll do that. So I'm a little later than probably is good, but you know, better late than never, and I'm sort of a slowpoke anyway. So today I am using the following colors. To begin with, on our base coat, I am using Artist Loft Flow Acrylic Black. For my colors, I'm using Arteza Bordeaux Red, which I have this huge jug of. I am also using Golden Quinacridone Nickel Azo Gold, and a mixture of Liquitex Basics Gold and Deco Art Americana Decor Metallics in 24 karat gold. Just wanted to tone this down just a hair, so I added some of this. Now, for my pouring medium, I am using Kathleen's pouring medium recipe, which is 50% Floetrol Effects pouring medium, 50% US Floetrol, and a big tasty squirt of Golden's GAC 800, which I decanted into this smaller bottle because the big one is awkward and weird. I have mixed it all up in this lovely $1.25 tree container. I've used it already, and I've used approximately 2.5 parts of this pouring medium to the Bordeaux Red and to the gold mixture. I used about 2 ounces of pouring medium to maybe, I don't know, half teaspoon of the Golden Quinacridone Nickel Azo Gold. And for my base coat, same idea, 7.5 ounces of the pouring medium recipe to about 3 ounces of the paint. I brought them all to the same consistency as the Golden because it is perfect without water. So I added water to the others until they came to that same consistency. Now, for my swiping black, I used the same Artist Loft Flow Acrylics Black, but instead of that pouring medium, I mixed it with Amsterdam pouring medium because Kathleen says this makes cool effects. I do listen every once in a while, you guys, sort of. So for this painting, this is a repurposed Artist Loft Level 3 12 by 16 canvas. I scraped it from another attempt that displeased me greatly. So into the slop cup that went. So we're gonna try again. Guys, I have my dampened paper towel pieces in different sizes for me to use. I have an idea in my head. Let's see if it works.
I wanna take you far away, deep into the country where we can be alone. I wanna give you all the space so you can write a new set of songs. This land cannot live without the rain. The rain is worth nothing if it has nothing to sustain. You must remember your name and write a new set of songs. You can play the piano without crying. When you say you're fine, I know you're lying. I wanna take you far away from here so you can write a new set of songs. Let's go where the water meets the pond. Ease your worries, free your mind. Look within and take some time and write a new set of songs. You can play the piano without crying. When you say you're fine, I know you're lying. I wanna take you far away from here so you can write a new set of songs. So you can write a new set of songs. I want you to write a new set of songs. I haven't cut my hair since I walked through your door. It's never been quite this long before. Taking some time to get all settled in, and I'm the happiest I've ever been. I never thought that I would move out
here we are with our wet results. Got a little lacing in there even. I'm fairly pleased. I know that I need more practice at this. It's been a good hot, probably almost 2 years since I have attempted a swipe. So there's a lot of gold in here. There's because the colors are thin and because I cannot be content with just swiping once it's spread. But there's also a lot of the nice orange, and that Bordeaux red is just phenomenal, which is what everybody's been telling me. Of course, my listening skills could use a little work. Did not turn out exactly as I had planned, but I am pretty pleased. Would have been better probably on something square, a nice square canvas perhaps, but I already had this one ready, so we tried it on this. I don't mind the negative space, honestly. So there we have it, folks. I'll try again, but I don't hate this one. Here's the dried result of my Kathleen Osmore style swipe. She's much better at it than I am, but I do like it. It's pretty. Lots of nice bling in there, lots of nice color. Probably should have done something with that corner. Actually, I just found this in my studio a couple of days ago and put a coat of Gamvar on it because it had dried really matte. And I made this video a long time ago. Not this video, but the painting video a long time ago. So I just thought, I like it enough. I am going to get it out and I'm going to finish it and I will make a video. So there you go. What do you think? Probably really should have done something with that corner, but it didn't. So there you go. I like it. It's blingy. It's cute. Let's see if I can get there. We got bling bling. That's the kind of bling that makes you blind. Anyway, there we go. Thanks so much for watching and spending your precious time with me. I sure do appreciate it. And I hope if you haven't, you'll hit the subscribe button, like button, leave me a comment, all that good stuff. And if you've already done that, yay, thanks. I'll see you next time.
When I look at you, I see Georgia. I see sunshine headed my way.